starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
So very interesting. Less focus on food and more on beverages. James, I'm the opposite. I'm not going to these places mostly for drinks. I'm going there for food.
But apparently young people, they love their beverages.
I will say that, I'm not generalizing here, but the younger crowd that we work with, and I see this too in other places, they're walking in with drinks from somewhere, right?
Yeah, they got to keep up with the trend.
Keep up with the trends indeed. I guess we're behind the times, my friend.
Yep, we're old news. Just give me a burger.
I do like coffee, but normally I bring my own coffee, so there's that. All right, looking at our satellite picture, here's the story of the day so far. In addition to the cool air, this bank of clouds has moved in with the breeze from the north and northeast. Now, there are more breaks popping up in the clouds, and I expect that to continue through the afternoon, but we may not totally clear out until later this evening. Radar's quiet, so our early morning brush by of some light showers does appear to be over. Some models bring in a little bit more in the way of light showers, but they should be more nuisance than a problem in the forecast. Temperatures mid-60s over the mountains to our west. At least the valleys now have warmed to about 70 degrees, but 64 in Scranton too. That's where the air is coming from. So pretty impressive chill for this time of the year. Locally, low 70s at best so far. We will continue to see that climb into the mid-70s, possibly the upper 70s if we get enough sunshine. But look at dew points. They continue to crash. And so when we lose the humidity, that means the nights, the mornings will be chilly too. So tonight could be in the low 50s based on the trend in dew points overall. Here's your day planner calling for highs middle to upper 70s. Again, it all depends on how much sunshine you get now at this point in terms of how warm it will be. Now, surface map showing a big area of high pressure. This is the weather moving ahead. There's not much going on across the country. So it's this and then waiting for the next warm up. So this area of high pressure moves in for the weekend. Then we start to see more return flow by the middle of next week. That does eventually bring some humidity, more warmth back into the forecast. But in the meantime, there's that bank of clouds. Some clearing through the afternoon and evening, but maybe not total clearing. I was hoping for almost blue sky heading into the evening hours. That may be tough to do, but overnight into tomorrow, we continue to see that clearing. Tomorrow should be a gorgeous day. Same thing goes for Sunday. This is a big break from that big time heat. Rain totals, we should be done now through the weekend, dry through Sunday, even now Monday and Tuesday. The extended forecast shows that there's not much going on. The next chance of rain will be coming up with that return flow from the southwest. Notice parts of the Tennessee Valley pretty active here with showers and storms to our southwest. Eventually, that activity may creep closer to us, and we may see some showers and storms by the end of next week. But that's a full week without rain. Can we do it? It's actually possible. July's been so active with rain that it doesn't seem like August could be that way, but you look through the weekend here, James, low 80s, mid 80s through early next week. It's dry and it's sunny. Look at that. Now, again, It's a little bit cooler, especially today, but we start to add back temperature-wise morning and afternoon.
The rest of that forecast, I mean, looks just amazing.
Yeah, and I really think tonight and through the next several nights, open up the windows, enjoy this. It's refreshing.
Sounds good. All right, Dan, thank you very much. We'll be right back.